It's over to you, Aparna.
Okay, thank you, Miss. So, hi, I am Aparna. I have completed my BBA graduation in Mada Ignatius College, and now I am an Internshala student partner representing Internshala in our college. So, today I am hosting a talk to tell you all about how to land your dream internship through Internshala. So, let's get started. So, excuse me, my audio is audible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
okay. Okay, thank you. So, our topic is how to gain experience and pocket money during this COVID 19 situation. So, we can move on to the slides. So, what is our current scenario? Our current scenario is that colleges have been shut down and students are at home and we don't have anywhere to go on. So, it is our main issue. So, although some students are having online classes, apart from that, they are having lot of time, spare time, at which they have a golden opportunity for them. That is, they can utilize this time to do internships in various domains and explore their interest. So, you may ask the question that why should you do an internship? So, I have an answer for that. Doing an internship at this time will be a plus point on your resume. While you are looking forward in your resume, it will be a plus point. So, and it will give you an edge over other students also. So, it will help you to gain. I'll explain 2 points to you, that is, gain financial independence. So, in sense, what do you mean by financial independence? Who does not want to be financially stable in our life? Everyone does, right? So, doing internships ultimately helps you to be financially independent. Students like you and me can start earning pocket money in college through internships and will not have to depend on our parents for monthly expenditures. At least we can recharge our phones, right? Nowadays, our data charges are increasing, so at least we can recharge our mobile phone ourselves. So it's some sort of financial independence criteria. So the next point is that get valuable experience to get ready for the corporate world. Doing an internship not only helps you to earn pocket money, but also helps you to gain experience. It is like a sneak peek into the corporate world for you before you are actually going out there. You don't know what is happening in the real world and you don't have any experience. So it is a good experience handling program while you are joining an internship. So what kind of internships can you do during this COVID situation? So, apply for work from home or short term internship. Start your journey by applying to internships that are easier to get, like work from home and short term internships. Getting selected for these internships would open doors for you to get the first hand experience and help you to get bigger opportunities. Next, apply for campus ambassador internship. The best part of doing a campus ambassador internships is that you get to work from college itself with your own convenience and also get a chance to earn huge stipend. So doing such internships is very easy as you don't need any technical knowledge or experience beforehand. That is, in a sense, you don't have to gain an experience before. If you have only experience, then only you will be able to do internships. It's wrong. You can do internships with your basic knowledge itself. The knowledge which you are having acquired technically. So through that you can just join internships, so you also enjoy the perks. Not only traveling anywhere, can simply work from home or college. Any student can apply for internships and kickstart their professional career. Isn't that all we want? Right? Can you give me some replies? We want to earn some money, and also we want to move on the in this criteria by earning some pocket money, right?
Yes.
Yes. So we have discussed now how to earn pocket money. Let's move on how to gain the experience. Okay? Is anyone there? Hello?
Okay.
Everyone hearing me?
Yes.
Yes. Then, so how to get a work from home internship? So in this COVID-19 scenario, it is necessary to mold ourselves according to the situation. Okay, start finding work from home internship opportunities because it is not good to go outside. So stay safe. So Internshala has over 7,000 plus work from home internships to choose from. That comes with an assured stipend. Excluding NGOs and NPO internships, they do not offer stipend. They are non-profit organizations. Excuse me, someone has on their audio. Can you please off your audio?
Aparna Babu, audio off you. You have switched on your audio.
Okay, thank you, miss. So why it is a hello? So thank you. So while it is a need, so I was staying at Internshala, right? So Internshala has over 7,000 plus work from home internships. I have already said you that. So this Internshala is assuring you a stipend along with internship certificate. Okay. So while it is a need of hour, it also pays up to 20,000 from your comfort of your home. As companies need your talent at this time more than ever. Okay, so the companies are not saying that you need to come to their company and do the work. They need only your talent. So you are getting the pay according to your talents. And you can apply for technical internships also. These internships will help you to gain valuable skills and knowledge. Doing such internships creates a huge impact on your career and boosts your resume. Now, apply for NGO internships. Such internships allow you to work closely on the important societal issues. What is happening in the society? According to the needs in the society, you can just do the works. So it lets you to contribute to the society. Now that we know how to gain experience and pocket money through internships, so let us see where we can find such amazing internship opportunities. So, did you know 5 lakh plus students do work from home or part-time internships and earn up to 20,000 per month? Can you think of it? They are just sitting at home and working. So 5 lakh plus students are working there at their home and earning up to 20,000 per month. They're only doing their work at least 1 or 2 hours. It is something awesome, right? So wouldn't it be great if you could earn such a cool stipend while you are in college? It is. So this is how Internshala works. Internshala can help you. Internshala is the world's #1 internship and training platform. Internshala is an internship and online training platform which was founded in 2010 with an intent to create a culture of meaningful internships in our country. So it was introduced in 2010. It was founded in 2010. It is to create a culture in our country of internships. So at present, 3.5 million students look for internships on Internshala offered by more than 80,000 employers in 100 plus profiles like engineering, marketing, finance, human resources, content writing, and graphic design, etc. So the best part in Internshala is It is free of cost for the students. Yes, you don't want to pay anything to get an internship. Rather, all internships on Internchala, apart from NGO and not-for-profit organizations, other all come with stipend and certificate. So, I'll say you in short how to create an Internchala. So you can just freely create an account. I'll share you the link through the chat box, or you can go through Google website in our Internshala. So you can see the website for creating an account. So through that, you just give the details of your name, your phone number, your mail ID. After that, you will get a mail, verification mail in your mail ID that you have already given. So you should click that. After that, you go through your account and you should complete your profile. You should complete your profile by completing the academics and also your skills. After that, you go for apply and get hired by brands. After that, you apply according to your preferences in each internships. Preferences in the sense which and all area you have been gone through or which areas you are thorough with. In Internchala, we are having different areas. I have already been sent that. So according to that, you should go. So next, Internshala can help you in another way also. So I have already said you that the world's #1 internship platform is Internshala. There, the students can apply to internships completely free of cost. That is the best part. You don't want to pay anything. You will get internships. You just want to update it frequently. You should want to check your Internshala account and also your mail frequently. We all are taking more time to use our checking in our social medias and all, right? So just make small time to check our Internshala account and also our mails. So Internshala is providing you another way of help also. We are having Internshala training on our platform, which offers 10 plus training in most in-demand industry-relevant skills. These trainings can be done anywhere and anytime at affordable prices. These trainings will help you to learn technical skills required to land an internship and a job. Or a job. You may get an internship or a job. So you can say, right, for programming, we are having training on web development, Android, Core, Java, then C, C++, etc. And for core engineering, we are having on AutoCAD and lot training. And for management students, for us, we are having training on digital marketing, Excel, and beginners training, certification training. And for the students who are not good in their English language, we are having a business communication skill training for them also. So you just have to visit Internshala training and enroll in training of your choice. So first itself, I'll say that it is not free of cost. It is having about something. It will not be more than other training courses, and also you can just verify it by comparing the other training programs also. So there is a special offer for you all to avail that 10% discount. I'll share you in the chat box at the end of the session. So you can go through that link. So now moving on, let's hear our students who have done internship through Internshala and pocket money. They have earned pocket money themselves. So I'll show you them. These are the two ones who not only get financially independent during their internship journey, also gain valuable experience to build their careers. So Ujjal and Nitish both had earned 15,000 and fulfilled their wishes to get a DSLR camera and also gift for their parents. So I'm sure that you all would also want to be in the same list so that you can also buy all the things added to your wish list and also make your parents proud. Am I right? So I think that our session is going to end. So is there any questions out there? So feel free to ask me any questions regarding internships and as well as Internshala. Please note that if you have any specific questions regarding Internshala, you may find answers to your doubts or queries on website Help Center. After the session, I would request you all to please fill your attendance, as all the students will receive a special attendance certificate for this talk. So this is end of our session. Is there any questions?
പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസിന് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചോദിക്കാനോ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലോ ചോദിക്കാം. ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ നമ്മളൊരു ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് ലിങ്ക് ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് ലിങ്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് അത് നിങ്ങൾ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ഇത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഫിൽ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാണ്. ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് എനി കൺസേൺസ്, എനി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്, യു ക്യാൻ പോസ്റ്റ് ഓർ യു ക്യാൻ ആസ്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഡയറക്ട്ലി.
Also, let me remind you something else, that our Internshala is something we should move on with the account frequently. Okay, so first of all, our employees will look after your application, or they'll reply within you at least within 2 to 3 weeks. So you should keep checking your Internshala dashboard for the application status changes. Okay, so don't think that if you apply now itself you'll get the internship. You have to wait. Okay, so according to your answers to their questions, you will be earned the internship. So is there any questions? I think no.
സോ ഓക്കെ വിത്ത് യു. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇപ്പൊ ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് ഫോം നിങ്ങൾ ഫിൽ ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പൊ ഇത് നമുക്ക് എടുത്ത് പറയാനുള്ള ഒരു കേസ് എന്താന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, ആക്ച്വലി ഫ്രം പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് അവർ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് വി ആർ റിയലി പ്രൗഡ്. നമ്മുടെ ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് ഒരു വെബിനാർ, ഒരു ഓൺലൈൻ ടോക്ക് നമ്മളുടെ മറ്റു സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് വേണ്ടി കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് തന്നെ ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം വളരെ അഭിമാനമുള്ള ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ രാജി മിസ് ഇതിൽ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതായിരുന്നു. മിസ്സിന് സിമി മിസ് ഓൾറെഡി ഇവിടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിന്റെ പാട്ടെന്ന് പറയാനുള്ളത്, ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അപർണേനെ പോലത്തെ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് നമുക്കൊരു അഭിമാനമാണ്. അപ്പൊ അത് മറ്റ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് അതൊരു ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ ആവണം. ഒരു ഹാഫ് ആൻ അവർ ഒരു സ്മോൾ സെഷൻ നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങനെ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള കാരണം തന്നെ ഇറ്റ്സ് സം സോർട്ട് ഓഫ് ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ ഫോർ അതർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാ സ്റ്റുഡൻസും ഇതിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാവരും ആ ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് ഫോം ഫിൽ ചെയ്യുക. So thank you. So with this we are winding up the program. Once again, thank you Aparna from behalf of entire faculty of our department and every student. We are thanking you.
Thank you, Miss, for giving me such an opportunity to this.